let's take a moment to talk about sales. How do you sell your service? There's a few things I really need you to know that will help you sell your services more effectively. So one of the most important things to understand, and so many people sadly don't, is that when you're selling a service, you are ultimately selling a solution. Customers, clients, they have problems and they're looking for a solution. So that's a big piece. You got to focus on that. So how do you offer a solution? Not just by promising a bunch of stuff, but asking the right questions. Ask qualifying questions to learn what works for them, what doesn't. That way you figure out what doesn't work. You can offer your solution. How does this fit in with the customer, right? That is so important to understand if you're selling a service. The other thing that you need to understand ultimately is that there is lots of other companies that offer the solution to the customer's problem, but they will choose the person they trust the most to deliver on that solution. That is vital to understand. So think about it. When you're going out there and your service is cleaning, as it is in my industry, we're selling cleaning services, commercial and residential. What are we ultimately fixing for the customer, right? Not every customer is the same. Some people want to get more time to spend with their family. They don't want to have arguments between each other as to who did the cleaning and who didn't, right? You're solving problems. Some big commercial accounts, they might have a ton of cleaning that happens at the moment, but way too many times they show up and nobody showed up. They're running low on supplies. There is so many issues that they might be dealing with right now. And sometimes the manager doesn't even know, so you need to get more people involved in the conversation. Again, qualifying questions. The more you know, the easier it is for you to sell your service. You gotta ask the right questions when you're selling something. It's not about offering a presentation with all the features, verbal diarrhea, like just unloading everything that you have. But you gotta focus on listening to the customer. Ask the question and then listen to what they say. Take notes on everything, because all the notes you can put together and see how they connect with your solution and deliver that to the customer, right? That is important. You need to understand how to sell. And the last two things, you gotta get to the point. Business owners are generally busy, so get to the point with what you're selling and make sure it's clear, easy to read, not confusing. A good saying to keep in mind in sales, a confused consumer buys nothing. So keep it simple, to the point. Of course, if you need more help selling, my book is in the description below or in the profile itself. Happy selling.